I'll start with the skill set, which is very basic. Is uh, I have been able to, like, I've watched around 4 recorded lectures as of now, and I started attending live lectures from this weekend itself. So with these 4 recordings and the live classes, I think I'm being able to link these subjects because I've been studying UPSC for a long time now. From like I started from COVID itself, like just reading and doing it by myself without classes and all. But I was not able to link the subjects eventually. I know that linking is important, but I did not know how to do it. But because this class is not just like monologue and you just speak and explain, but you let us think and you cold call people, which is why you make us think about subjects, why and how of the certain concepts and all of that. So because of that, I've been able to link these things. That is a one skill set I've learned. And second is that I think I've been struggling a lot with respect to discipline and procrastination. And I've had this issue with respect to also the wishful thinking kind of a thing. So I think that was like the big part where I used to think that if this is going to be there for a long time, it's better not to give UPSC because I had no discipline in my life in general. And even me being a law student, I was constantly failing at things because of my discipline. So I think with respect to class I have started, I think I've become more disciplined. Even if I have watched 4 recordings, I've done all the post-its with respect to the live class that has been there. I think I've learned to be a bit more disciplined doing things, and even the time management thing, because I have to manage the time for both law and the classes. So I'm learning to manage my time a bit more efficiently than before, and the most importantly, the discipline part. Like I have this chain from last 7 to 8 days. I've been consistently doing it. So that thing is great. Uh, I really want to thank you for your approach, because I was thinking if I not make through this exam, what then I'll do it, because uh, even with respect to law, you have to struggle around 10 to 15 years, and then if I did not clear the UPSC examination for about 3 and 4 attempts, my 20s are going to be wasted. And then out of a sudden, I found you on a YouTube, and then you started explaining how important your 20s are. And again, as you said, your contrarian approach. So I think that what catched me towards you, made me push to join this community. I'm very glad that I had joined this community, and so far I'm convinced that if not this, then I'll be something a great personality and have something figured out a few years down the road if I even do not make UPSC or clear the UPSC examination.